Hello everyone, welcome back to Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory. I am RAKESH VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about Experiment 6 Viva questions on draw the projections of solids. Let us see the question number 1. A prism is a regular polyhedron. Is it true or false? The correct answer is false because a polyhedron is defined as a solid bounded by a planes called faces. When all the faces are equal and regular, the polyhedron is said to be regular. Here the given solid is prism. Prism consists of two identical parallel faces that is called bases and the other faces are parallelograms. So that's why prism is not a regular polyhedron. Example for regular polyhedron is cube. Question number 2. If a solid has its axis perpendicular to the HP, in which view the true shape of its base is visible? The answer is top view. You can see this image. Here I have taken one solid, that is cube. This is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. In this condition, we can see the true shape in top view only. Because this is the cube, you can see the true shape in front view and top view. If you take any other prism like pentagonal prism or hexagonal prism, whatever it may be, you can see the true shape only in the top view. So the answer is top view. Let us see the question number 3. A cylinder is a solid by revolution of. The answer is rectangle. You can see the, let us see the explanation. A right circular cylinder is a solid generated by the revolution of rectangle about one of its sides which remains fixed. It has two equal circular bases. The line joining the center of the bases is called axis. It is perpendicular to the bases. You can see the visualization in this animation video. Here the one of its rectangular plane. This one side is fixed. You can revolve around this axis. You can get cylinder. So the answer is rectangle. A cylinder is a solid by revolution of rectangle. Question number 4. A regular tetrahedron has dash equal faces, each an equilateral triangle. The answer is 4. You can see this isometric view of tetrahedron. This is the top view of the tetrahedron. It consists of 4 equilateral triangle. One is the base and 3 are the side faces. So the answer is 4. Question number 5. If the axis of a regular solid is perpendicular to HP, the true shape and the size of its base will be seen in dash view. The answer is top view. You can see this image. Here I have taken triangular prism. This triangular prism is perpendicular to this axis perpendicular to HP. So we can see the true shape only in the top view. In the place of triangular prism, you can take square prism, pentagonal prism or hexagonal prism. We can see the true shape only in the top view. So the answer is top view. Question number 6. A right regular hexagonal prism is resting on HP on its base. Its top view is a dash. The answer is hexagon shape. Here I am taking hexagonal prism is resting on HP on its base. We can see the top view, that is hexagon shape. You can see the orthographical view. This is the isometrical representation for hexagonal prism is resting on HP. You can see here top view is regular hexagon and front view is rectangle shape. Here he is asking the top view, so the answer is hexagon shape. Question number 7. If the axis of a solid is parallel to both HP and VP, its true shape is seen in dash view. The answer is side view. If you take any solid that axis parallel to both HP and VP, we can see the true shape only in the side view. You can see here. Here I have taken a triangular prism. The axis parallel to both HP and VP. In the front view it is appear like rectangle, and top view also appear like rectangle, but we can see the true shape only in the side view, that is triangular shape. So the answer is side view. Question number 8. When base of the right regular solid is resting on VP, then its axis is dash to VP. Here the given solid is resting on VP means the axis is perpendicular to VP. You can see this image. Here I have taken hexagonal prism. This axis is perpendicular to VP. So the answer is perpendicular. In this case we can see the true shape in the front view and top view is appear like rectangle. Question number 9. A cylinder of diameter D and a height h rest on its base on the HP. Its front view is a dash of width dash and height. The answer is first fill in the blank is rectangle, width of diameter and height. You can see this image. Here I have taken one solid, its diameter D and height h. Base on the HP, its front view is appear like rectangle. Rectangle and width is circle diameter, that is cylinder diameter D. So the answer is first fill in the blank rectangle and second fill in the blank is diameter. Question number 10. The shape of a top view of a cone with its base on the VP is a dash. The answer is triangle. You can see this image. You can take one cone, this base on the VP, that means that axis is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. In this case, in the front view appear like circle and top views appear like triangle. So the answer is triangle. Okay, this is regarding Viva questions on experiment number 6. In the next video, we will discussing about Viva questions on experiment 7, that is solid is inclined to both HP and VP. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos and also share to your near and dear friends. For more videos, you can watch in Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory playlist or AutoCAD playlist. Thank you everyone.